Hi folks, it's Terry back from Terry's O-Gauge Trains, and look what has just arrived. This is a package from eBay all the way from Pueblo, Colorado. It is a Marx Canadian Pacific with an extra one-way or micromotor, a metal caboose, 2 tenders, and a manual operating crossing gate. Now, this is being all sold as is a lot, 4 parts. So what do you say we open this up and take a look at what we got? Got the trusty old MacGyver knife. And look here and see what they brought us. Well, okay, this looks to be one of the marker lights for the Canadian Pacific. He did say it was missing one and the other one was loose. That's not a problem because I already ordered 2 replacement marker lights. And next we have, this appears to be the caboose. Let's take a look. Yep. Now the end's a little tweaked if you see there. But I think I can fix that. It needs a good cleaning. Otherwise, it seems to be complete. It's got the metal tilt couplers. I'll find a way to use it. It's a Reading caboose. There's Mar lines. I'll set it there. You can get a better look at it. Hold up like this. Take a look at that. That's not bad. We'll set that over here for now. See what we got next. Next is the manual crossing gate. Yeah, that is something I do not have on my layout. So that'll be a nice addition to the layout. After that, we have, this would be the one-way motor, the Marx one-way micro motor. He told me it did not run, and from what I saw in the pictures on the description, there's a reason for that. Now, it appeared in the description that this gear was broken. Actually, this does not look like the same motor that he showed in the pictures in the description. So I'll take a look at this and see what could, and I see the problem. These little things here have to wrap around these axles to complete the ground circuit. I don't know if you can see that in there, but if that does not wrap around there and make contact with that axle, rub that axle, that wiper, your micromotor will not run. So I believe there's a good chance I can get this running again. Next we have another caboose. Now he had said it was 2 tenders, but I've got 2 cabooses. Nice. Looks like it was for a wind-up set because it's got the plastic wheels and the slide couplers. But it's a nice Union Pacific 3824 caboose in really nice shape. I'll certainly be using that, or I might gift that to my nephew Shannon. And then we have, yes, a tender. Again, looks to be probably to the same set. It's a Union Pacific plastic wheels for a wind-up set with the slide couplers. So you can always use another tender. I'll probably convert those to metal wheels. And last but not least, the Canadian Pacific locomotive. Now, the man said that this did not run. He said one of the wheels was actually loose. But I do know how to fix that. It turned loose on the axle. And there it is, and yes, you can see that is loose. But I know how to, you see how loose that is. It's just turning spin, but I do know how to tighten that. And the motor definitely needs a good clean. Pre-war motor. It's a little rough shape, but not too bad. So I'm missing the marker lights, but I'm definitely going to see if I can't get that running. But I'll have to do that in a later video because the wife is calling me. She needs my help. So we'll shut this off, and I'll be back later for part 2.